official Eco Warrior. So now we are going to interview with you with your permission. So if you agree with this interview, let's start our questions.
Yeah, right.
What is meant by waste in your opinion?
Waste is nothing but the unwanted materials which are created by humans, right?
Did you made any useful materials with the help of waste at home?
Yeah, I have made many useful things with the help of waste materials.
What and what?
Yeah, like when my parents get a pain, they used to bring a pain bombs like Zandu bomb. Then they used to, after using it, they used to throw outside. Then I asked my mom, it's a plastic material. If you throw outside, it's a non-degradable material. So it takes a lot of time to decompose in a soil. So I said my mom like this. Then she said, if you have any opinion towards it, you continue. Then I collected it from 2 to 3 months. Then I have made it a craft and I used it as a craft at home. And it is useful for the nature as well as it develops a creative skill in us.
Okay. What are the steps you have taken in your class about recycling of waste as a class reporter?
Yeah, I have taken many steps in my class. Usually, I observed that my friends were using the pens and throwing it outside. Actually, pens are made up of plastic. It takes a lot of time to decompose in a soil. So, I suggested them that instead of throwing it outside, use them as a eco-friendly pens. It develops our creative skills and as well as it is useful for the nature.
Yes. What is your opinion on present days and do you have any ideas about this?
Yeah, no, presently everyone is using completely plastic bags and plastic bottles. Instead of using that, if we use cloth bags, it is useful for the nature also. Then usually when I used to travel from one place to another place in a buses or trains, my father used to bring a distilled water bottle. When completing after it, I used to throw outside first. Then in the back side of it, they used to write that after using it one time, throw it, crush it and throw it. Then when I am throwing it outside, there is a soil. It takes a lot of time to decompose. So I started to collect that bottles instead of throwing and I used to make it a decorative item. By this I developed my creative skills and it is useful for the nature. So I suggest everyone to develop this type of creative skills.
Okay. Which type of waste do you observe in your school?
Mostly I observe paper waste.
Thank you, sister, for giving us and for cooperating with us for this interview.